Can you spot the difference? The first word has an A and the second word has an E, right? Stationary with an A means not moving or changing. For example, the bus was stationary for an hour because of the traffic, or the stars appear stationary because they are so far away. Stationary with an E, on the other hand, means writing supplies or office supplies like pens, papers, staples, etc. You can use it in a sentence like this: I went to the stationery shop to restock before the school reopened. Or she bought new stationery items to write her thank you notes. So remember, stationery with an A stays and stationery with an E writes. You can learn more through my online, customized and individual classes. Bye-bye.